Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a Kajabi form into your WordPress website and customize its appearance. This is incredibly useful if you're collecting leads or building your email list directly from your WordPress site while managing everything through Kajabi. First, you'll need to open your Kajabi site by heading to your Kajabi login page and signing in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open your website editor for the site where your content lives. If you've set up a custom domain, simply navigate there after signing in to access your dashboard. Now, let's get to the forms. Look over to the left-hand menu and locate Marketing. Click on it, and you'll see an expanded set of options appear. From these options, select Forms. This is where all your lead capture forms are stored and managed within Kajabi. On the Forms page, you'll be presented with a complete list of all the forms you currently have in your Kajabi account. Browse through and select the specific form that you want to embed into your WordPress website. This could be a newsletter sign-up, a lead magnet download form, or any other type of form you've created. Once you've selected your form, you'll be taken to the Forms Details page. Look at the top right corner of this page where you'll see three menu options: Form Details, Submissions, and Embed. Click on Embed to access the embedding options for this particular form. Here's where the customization happens. Scroll down and you'll see the form settings alongside a live preview of how it will appear. If you need to edit the title, body text, button text, or even the colors to match your WordPress site's branding, you can do that right here. You'll also notice an Embed Style drop-down menu. Click on it and you'll have two options: Inline Embed, which places the form directly within your page content, or Pop-up Embed, which displays the form in a modal window. Choose whichever style best suits your WordPress layout. Once you've finished customizing everything to your liking, scroll back up to the top of the page where you'll find the embed code. Click on the Copy Code button to copy it to your clipboard, then simply paste this code into your WordPress website wherever you want the form to appear. You can place it in a page, post, or widget area using the HTML block. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.